Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe followed by the bell. So, Google has been planning to venturing into the world of laptops with the Pixel brand? The tech giant has made waves with its smartphones and tablets. But a Pixel laptop could redefine personal computing. Rumors have been swirling around a Google Pixel laptop for a while now. With Google's expertise in software and hardware, a Pixel laptop could seamlessly integrate Chrome OS with cutting-edge design and performance. Imagine a device optimized for productivity, creativity, and a clean user experience. The 12.8-inch touchscreen display is vibrant and sharp, with a resolution of 2400 by 1600 pixels. It will be powered by Intel Core processors and up to 16 GB of RAM, and it will run Chrome OS, which is a lightweight and fast operating system based on the Chrome browser. But what could set a Pixel laptop apart? Features like advanced AI integration, enhanced security, and a stunning display could make it a game changer. Plus, with the success of the Pixel phone line, Google has a solid foundation to build on, allowing them to create a laptop that truly stands out in a crowded market. So, is Google making a Pixel laptop? While we await official announcements, the excitement around this potential launch is palpable. That is it guys, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below. And if you are new here, please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching, see you on my next video. Peace out.